So here I found this solution from you for the live sync. Just open. Here I found the solution for the LUMION LiveSync. Just type in or open any browser you are using. Just search 3D extension warehouse. It is basically from the SketchUp. Just open it. You can easily download the free version from here. It's basically free for every user. LUMION I previously typed in. So just you can also type the full name. This is the I'll show you LUMION LiveSync. Okay, I searched it basically. So this is it. You can download it from directly here. What you need to do is, before the download the stuff, you need to be logged in from the SketchUp 3D warehouse. You can basically using your email ID, your official email ID or any other ID you have. You can just sign up quickly. That's that's the easiest stuff. You can just sign up and log in into it, and you can easily download it. Just click on that. So my download is starting. Okay, I already downloaded it, so I'll show you the how to install it. So what you need to do is, in the extension stuff, in window stuff, here's the extension and the beside the window. Just click on the extension manager. Install the extension manager. Just go to window, extension manager. I show you repeatedly because my speed is high. You are difficult to see on the stuff. So click on the install extension. Go to your download directory, which basically I set on the desktop. So this is the plugin I download. Select it and hit open. So after open this, you can check out the LiveSync bar here in the SketchUp. I already installed it previously, so I have this one already. If you don't have, I'll show you how to enable it. So basically after installation of the plugin, you will not meanwhile you also, in some of the PCs, you directly don't see here on the bar. So what you need to do is just click on the tools and click on the tools, or right click on this bar, and you can see the find out here. This is the LUMION LiveSync. So click on it. This is the plugin what we downloaded.